welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with a spicy dish. Yes, it's favorite dish for everyone. So everybody loves to eat chicken, including myself, because it's really tasty. Yeah, it's a meat variety. So today we are going to see how to make barbecue chicken. So barbecue chicken is something different, like some of us like I can see many of us like to eat. So it's a bit spicy. It's like a spicy taste. You can get the spicy taste from the barbecue sauce. So we are going to see how to make a barbecue chicken at home. Let's get into the video. Take 2 number of chicken legs. So this is where you have seen, like normally these kinds of chicken are being taken to barbecues. So once you can see, like when you cut it into deeper, like make it bit slit it into deep, so that would be better when you're adding the mixtures and ingredients. So this is how you have to slit for both or the number of chicken legs or thighs that you are going to take to make this barbecue. So now take a bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of curd, and half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt for taste, and 1 tablespoon of BBQ Masala. And now you have to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, black pepper, mustard oil, and red food coloring. It's optional. If you want, if you don't want to use it, you can skip it. Now you have to give it a whisk. So if you are using this red color food coloring, so you can see that it's turning into a very good, very dark red color. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and then give it a whisk. And then now it's time to add our chicken thighs. So this is where the slitting of chicken is beneficial. You can see that if you have slit it into deep cuts, so we can add the mixture into the slits. So this will give a good taste after frying. So now you have to use a polythene wrap, and then you have to let it marinate for 3 to 4 hours. And then it's time to fry. So you have to add 1 tablespoon of butter into a pan. And then you have to add the chicken thighs, and you have to cook it for 1 minute in high flame. So it's kind of a grill. It's like a grilling process. So you have to cook it in high flame. So you have to close the lid and you have to cook it in low flame for 5 minutes. And you can see you will get a good smell from the chicken. So now again you have to let it to cook in low flame for 5 minutes. And now it's time to brush the chicken with oil. So we have to brush the chicken, both parts of the chicken, like the both side. You have to turn it up and down, and you have to brush it with the oil. So you can use a forceps to turn the chicken. So then you have to cook it, let it to cook for like 5 minutes in low flame, and yes, the chicken is done. So you can transfer it to a plate. We have to keep a small dish, and you have to place the charcoal, and then a few drops of oil. So now you have to add this, you have to keep it closed for some times, like for few minutes. And then you have to brush it with the barbecue sauce. So we saw in this video how to make barbecue chicken at home. So do try it at your home. So hereafter you don't need your mom to make barbecue chicken. So yeah, that's really good. So we are going to wrap up the session. But before that, you have to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. And don't forget to let us know what's your favorite dish. We'll feature your comments on our upcoming videos. So see you on next video. Until then, bye-bye.